Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Technical Chargy. In this video we're going to talk about the recently launched phone, which is Oppo A7, and we're going to do the unboxing. No, we're not going to do the unboxing of this phone, as you can already see in the other channels. We're going to tell you something about what the other channels are not telling you about. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Chargy, so let's get straight into the video. So the Oppo has recently launched its phone Oppo A7, and the specification, if I talk about, it looks very great, or not expected from the Oppo that it will give the specification at the 16,999 only. So let's first talk about the specification of this phone. The Oppo A7 comes with the 6.2 inches of the screen. It comes with a rear camera of 30 megapixel plus 2 megapixel camera, and on the front you're getting a very great selfie camera. As per the Oppo technology, you're getting a very great selfie camera of 16 megapixel. And let's talk about the battery. The battery is of 4230 mAh, enough to keep your phone up to one and a half day. And as per the late trend of 2018, we are seeing a teardrop notch on this Oppo A7 phone. And what are the RAM and the internal memory sizes? You are getting a 4 gigabytes of RAM in this device, plus you are getting a 64 GB of internal storage. And as always, if I talk about the heart of the processor, you can say the heart of the phone is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor. Yes, the Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, which is I think the main highlight of this phone from the Oppo, presenting at the 6,990 only. And I really wonder what other phones are available in the market at which price range. Can you guess that phones which are available at lower price range than almost up to 10,000? And they are offering a great specification with the Snapdragon 450. So if you know such devices, do comment below. Even if you look at the competitor, you can able to judge that they are able to keep the price low to sustain the customer to attract to their devices. But Oppo is keeping its prices around 17,000. I know they're offering a buyback scheme of around 2,000 where you can exchange your old phone and purchase this phone around 15,000. But then again, it's not a great deal. The Oppo in 2018 has done a very good work, but the work like this Oppo A7 and Oppo 3S at this price range doesn't specify to that work which they have already done. It's just pour over the dust or the good work which is done by the Oppo. The Oppo has produced a very good phone, Oppo F9 Pro, Oppo F9. I personally like that phone. It's very selfie-centric phone, plus it comes with a great processor. But why Oppo is offering such a phone with the Snapdragon 450 at the 16,990 only? Maybe Oppo leaders or the Oppo consumers or the Oppo fans can answer that as well. For me, I don't recommend this phone to anyone. If you want to buy a Snapdragon 450 phone, please look for other options that the users are going to comment below. Or maybe you can search on the net that what are the phones available in the Snapdragon 450 processor at the price range of 9,000, 8,000 only. So if you want to still shell out double of the money, the hard-earned money which you earn, you can still buy the Oppo A7 phone. Nothing wrong with this phone, just I have a problem with this pricing model. If after watching this video Oppo comes up that I'm going to launch, I'm again thinking about this phone relaunching and I'm going to offer around to 9,000 or the 10,000, then I personally prefer this phone. You should buy this phone. Because in the selfie front, if you are a very selfie lover and you take a lot of selfie, this phone is very great in the selfie compartment. And with the Snapdragon 450, it's not a bad processor, but it's not as good as the Snapdragon 660, which you're getting at a price range of around 14,000 only. So think again, the Realme phone, which is of the Oppo subsidiary brand, you're getting a very great phone with the help of the Snapdragon 660 and then just a price range of 4,000 only. Then why a user should buy a 16,990 only with this offering of Snapdragon 450? I want to ask the Oppo marketing team that why you are offering such a high level device at such a price. And many of the top YouTubers are not going to tell you about this too, that they stay away this from phone because they have a branding with the Oppo. So now you have to only to judge whether you want to buy this phone or you want to stay away this phone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can stay away from the Oppo A7. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this encourages me to make such kind of videos and educate the consumers to stay away from which phone or to buy which phones. Till my next video, see you.